Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to this video. Today is a very special day and I can't wait for you to join me on it because it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm driving north to Storm Jeeps, and today we'll be installing some goodies. I can't wait for this. Frontrunner have sent me a roof rack and a rooftop tent, which have been sitting with Storm for about 2-3 months. I don't know how long now. Apart from the roof rack and tent, we'll be installing some more goodies, and I can't wait to bring you along on this journey. But for now, be with you in a sec. Right, so here we are at Storm, and yeah, so far we're doing some work. We currently have the front bumper being installed. Or actually the front winch plate is currently being put on, and then the bumper will be put on with a lovely winch. I'm putting a Warn Evo, is it? Warn Evo 10S. Can't wait to see that. But yeah, alright, so they're about to drill some holes in my Jeep. Oh my god. I'm shitting myself. But actually, they're making quite a lot of progress, so that's super exciting stuff. Look at him go. So the holes are drilled, the Jeep is punctured. I don't know how I feel about it, but you know, it's got to be done. And I'm actually quite excited because, let me go in the shade a little bit. Well, firstly, I'm right in between loads of Jeeps. As you can, I don't know if you can see, it's probably blurred out behind me, but I'm in Jeep heaven right now. And also, my Jeep, also known as Big Bear Jeep, is getting a full makeover and is gonna become an overlanding beast, and I'm super excited about it. I'm very thankful to Andy at Storm for doing all the work, also being able to see me and actually store all the shit for a while. Also very thankful to Frontrunner for sending all the parts. But yeah, look at these lovely Jeeps. You might be a bit bright, so I'm gonna darken you. There you go. The guys are making a ton of progress. We already have the roof rack on, the front bumper and the winch on, and it's looking absolutely sick. I can't wait to show you guys. And I'm here with an old CJ for parts. apparently the guys have sold it for 800 quid on eBay. Didn't know people buy stuff like that on eBay. Look at that. But yeah, so the Jeep is almost ready. I mean, almost ready. There's plenty more to do, but it's looking absolutely spectacular. Yeah.
Be looking 2.4. I would have said 2.4 meters.
2.4 meters. So basically, forget about any car parks.
Yeah, I mean the.
How's it going, man?
Alright. Yeah, we're just getting the wires up here, bumpers. Near enough finished.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Now we're wiring the winch.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yep. Soon be there. Front end will be anyway.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's gone on. Yeah, they've just gone in nice of them. Perfect.
Nice. Good fit.
Perfect. Good fit. Everything's gone nice on it, really.
Man, you're an absolute artist.
It's just getting the gaps and things just right.
This man right here is an artist. How's it going, my man?
Yeah, not so bad. So these are the tracks.
Yeah.
that you put the mounting hardware on.
Yeah.
You can have them two different orientations depending on what way you're mounting. You want your tent to open up and stuff.
Exactly.
So these are set so that it'll open up to your side.
So you can basically have it like that, horizontally or vertically,
That's
right?
it, yeah. The tracks can either run as they are now or that way.
Yeah.
They say they don't put them on from the factory because they give you the option of where you want your tent to open up. So
amazing stuff. I'm super impressed. Jeep is getting into shape. It's starting to look really, really good. Front bumper is in, winch is in. Winch is now being wired. The roof rack is on. Frontrunner, beautiful. Andy's now working on the roof tent and we're putting that on this afternoon. And I can't wait to give it a try. Right, I don't know why the autofocus wasn't working earlier properly. Hopefully it's working now. Anyway, apologies for that. The day is moving forward really well. So what I want to talk to you about, moving away from the Jeep slightly, is today my video skills have been really tested. As you might know, I'm a photographer. I'm an adventurer. I travel. I take photos. I'm not a filmmaker. And I think this video is probably going to show quite well that I'm not a filmmaker, but you know, be patient with me please. It's my first proper vlogging kind of video that I'm posting, and if you like it, let me know in the comments or press a like, subscribe, you know the score. But if you don't, let me know what you don't like about it, because I'd be interested to hear what I can improve on. That'd be nice to know. I'm all about feedback. I'm all about improvement. Now, things I wanted to talk about is, if you're a relatively inexperienced or an inexperienced videographer and you're shooting videos and you think you have enough content, you most likely don't. So keep shooting. Think about different angles. Think about different compositions. Change different settings. Review your footage after you've shot it. Review your shots, because it's very likely that your exposure might be off or your focus might be off. Just like my focus has been off in the last 2 takes of this exact video. So I've had to shoot this 3 times because my focal point is off. Things like white balance. It's very easy that you might have moved that, changed that. Think about it. Now, I've just realized, for example, that I've shot a lot of the action. I've done some time lapses of what's going on, some detail shots. But one thing I've forgotten to do is have an establishing shot of the actual place that we are. So let's go and remedy that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, quick update. Jeep's almost done. Actually, we've got the front bumper and winch are all wired in and ready. The roof rack and tent are up and are looking so sexy. Andy's now started working on the side steps and wiring them in, because there'll be a nice little surprise. And I think they're very thoughtful for my other half, so everyone's happy. But let's go and talk to Andy and see what he says.
So we're putting the amp research side steps in. We're just getting the wiring harness installed. We're going to have it so that it's active on auxiliary 1 switch, so giving you the freedom to turn them off if you're off-roading or anything like that. Your auxiliary switches will allow you to have them on even with the ignition off, or if you want them activated with the ignition, so you've got all that freedom on your home screen to configure it how you want. So I'd recommend that you probably have them on so it's active even with ignition off, so you can leave it on, so if you come out to the car, you open the door and they'll go down, and if you're off-roading or want them off for whatever reason, you just turn that auxiliary switch off. So yeah, first time we've done one on a right-hand drive on a JL. We've done a few JK ones, a few complications with motor polarities and that sort of thing on them, so we'll have to see what this does, and if it needs any changes we'll do it. So yeah,
thanks man.
Okay,
perfect. So seems like the decision I made to leave a professional to install it was a good one. These side steps are looking lovely. AMP research, kudos to you guys, that's looking fantastic. So we've done a lot of work on the truck and it's now done. Let me show you around.